Hello my friends. Last time I've started this cardigan, this jumper. I show you how we made the top part, and then we start crocheting, increasing in the corners. You see we've made it like 4 side increase, like a granny square, like a full granny square. Then you put it on and you see either you want it wide or you want it more narrow. I wanted it wide, so my width is approximately let me just measure it for you. Yes, if you want to be precise, it is 23 inches if you measure it, or around 59 centimeters. After I separated the sleeves and make another 5 rounds, I've changed my hook size half smaller, and that gives you, like this slightly smaller this waist area, just slightly. I didn't want it to be any bulky, but little bit, that will help. And then with the same slightly smaller hook, I've made this ribbing. I've made the ribbing around the sleeves. As you remember, I was supplemented my yarn with different colors. I just wanted it to last longer and to make this jumper more interesting, and I think it is more interesting. You can see all over the Pinterest like scrap yarn jumpers, tops, shorts, you may name it, and it's looks just awesome. So I wanted to use some oddballs I had for my sweater, and this is what we've got. Gray one is slightly thinner, as you can see, but it doesn't really make it any bad. It looks great. So let's get to it. First part, I will put the link in the description below, and I will tell you the length of my sweater is approximately 40 centimeters or 16 inches. This is around waist area. I've done, if you count from the top, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that 15 round I already go only for the body area. So it was 15, 16, 17, 18, oh no, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29. I didn't count, I would make it 30, but this is how it goes. 3 rows of front post, back post, double crochet, 14 rows for the top. Basically it is like half and half in my case. And then I made just 1 round. I've made 2 rounds. Yes, I'm sorry, I've made 2 rounds. You just separate and go body separate and sleeves separate. And I will show you how I've made this ribbing. It is very easy because I know lots of people are going front, forth and back with half double crochet back loop only, and I didn't like that, so I wanted to make it slightly easier, and this is the easier front post, back post. If you don't know how to do it, I will show it to you very slowly. This part is just one round, and on the bottom part it is 3 rounds. Easy peasy. So let me show you how to do front post and back post double crochet ribbing for this top. So let's start by attaching new color. And so to make front post, back post double crochet, first making chain 2, yarn over, front post, going around, double crochet from the front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is front post. Back post, yarn over, and next double crochet I'm going from behind around my next double crochet. Front post, and back post, and again front post. Sometimes when you want to make the ribbing just very small ribbing and very easy ribbing, I'm using this technique. And because I'm using smaller hook, this is 4.5mm crochet hook, it will tighten slightly my sleeve. I'm going alter front post, back post, all the way around. And this will be for the sleeve. For the bottom part, as I said, you will need to make 3 rounds of this. Because you crochet in rounds, let me just finish this one and I will show you how to make second round on top of this. After you've done one round, you can see clearly that those are front post double crochets, and little bit behind they are back post double crochet. So round 2 you need to repeat. Front post goes around front post and back post will go around back post. Let's do it. So to start, I'm making slightly larger loop and I'm going this is when you connect the part, it is a little bit messy, so don't worry about it. Front post goes around front post and back post goes around back post. and then again front post goes around front post, and back post goes around back post. I hope you've got something new from my videos today. If you didn't know this technique, give me thumbs up, put in the comments what kind of technique do you usually use for the ribbing. Either this is your favorite technique, or maybe you didn't know about this technique. And let's finish this. And after you've done couple 2-3 rounds of front post, back post, double crochets on the bottom of this jumper, on the sides, I wanted to keep it short. It will look something like that. And this is beautiful pattern. Of course you can make those sleeves longer to make like a full jumper. I prefer to keep it short. If you are with me, please don't forget to check my other top I have made in between while I was making this large top. I've made this nice little summer top with cotton yarn, and you can tighten this to make it even better. Yes, I haven't changed the buttons. I was telling you that I'm gonna change the buttons in my video, but I don't think I will. You know, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Those you can see those ends, but because this is fully adjustable, while you wear this it tends to stretch, so you will just undo it and tie it tighter if you want, or you want to put this one lower on your chest, you can just undo it and make this slightly longer. So move those straps right left, you know, like whatever your mood is. And that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials. At the moment I'm making a white cotton top. It's nearly finished. Hopefully next week it will be out, and hope to see you all guys next time. Thank you for watching.